My name is William, and today I'm going to be teaching you the basics of JavaScript. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to use a variable and how to define a variable and some cool, really simple and easy commands to use variables with. So variables are really important in JavaScript. They're basically the thing which programming JavaScript is about. Just this and codes doing stuff with variables. So at the end of this video, you will be able to make a website like this, where it asks for your name, you write in your name, and then it says your name, and it writes your name here, and in console commands. So let's get started. So to start off, you'll have to get PHP Storm, then make a file or a text document within PHP Storm, which then you have to link it to PHP Storm, and then you'll get this file just empty. So first of all, you will need to make a new file, because this will be empty and you can't program an empty file. So they make it really easy for you in PHP Storm. Just click on this thing, new, and then find a HTML file. Call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it script, and you'll get this. So now you just write in the title for your website. You don't need to do this. I just think it's nice. I'm just gonna call it, oh wait, why doesn't this work? Oh yeah, I need to change this title. You write in whatever you want. I'll just call it test, just for reasons. Now inside here, as you can see here, I have it more organized and such, but to organize this, just click on tab. I feel like this is a lot more neater if you have it more organized. And then I'll just do this and there. And now we're going to write this, make it here, and write script, and then space, I think it was, no, there. Okay, script, and remember / here to close it. So now we have the script. So here is where you will write your code. So we'll start off with the code var, wait, I need to write in small letters, var x. So this code will now make a variable called x, but in this code we have not defined what x is, meaning you can't really do anything with it. And if I just launch this now, this will do nothing other than create a x variable. So now we will do x equals space. For now we're going to use prompt. You can also define it by other ways, by just writing, but this time we'll make the user be able to define what the variable x is. So let's just write prompt, and then when we've written prompt, we need those string things. I don't know what they're called, but there's something. You use them to write stuff, because otherwise, if I didn't have them, this will be looked at as a variable, and you don't want that, because that won't show up on the page. So now you write brackets, and let's write what is your name. After you've written that, you need to have a comma and then brackets again, and now Control Z, and now in here you can write whatever you want. This is just going to be the start of, or a thing that's been previously written, or it is going to be written in the page or the asking bar. So I'm just gonna write name to make it easy, and to close the code you will need to put like the dot comma thing. after this code, we will put in the alert code. The alert thing makes a pop-up just like this one. Just instead of asking a question, it says something. So this could be used to just have some quick pop-up questions and such to make it easy. So for now, we're just gonna use it to show what you've written in variable x. So we'll just put alert, those bracket things, and then we'll write hi. And now you would think I'll just write x here, but no, you will have to write plus x, because variables cannot be in those brackets, otherwise it will be looked at as a text and you will not be shown up the variable. And the plus thing is to show that these are on the same thing, and without it, it won't really do anything. So now that we have that, we also have to close it. There we go. And we will now add in a little cool feature to put it in the console. So now we will write console.log. The console is to put things in console, so you can also write console.error and it will come with errors and different things. So we'll use console.log, which is used to write in the log. And now we will write we won't use this, and we'll just write in the variable x. So as you can see here, the x will now, these are now lit up purple because this is the same as these three. So you're basically putting in writing here. So let's just test our website for now and see what it does. So as you saw at the last one, it will put in what asks you for your name. So I'll just put in William. And then okay, and now it will say hi William, but as you can see, this will be next to each other, so we have to fix that. And now it will just put it in inspect, and here, ooh, this went something wrong here. What was wrong? I think I know what was wrong. Okay, so here we can't, I think we need to close it again. I think that was the problem here. Yep, okay. Oh no, we have a problem here. I will now need to use Task Manager to close off the Chrome thing, because this is now preventing me from programming. So, it was something wrong. I think it's because it was closed. And yeah, that's one problem. And also, as you can see here, these were next to each other. We don't want that. So you'll just put a space here, because that's how it's going to be defined. And now it should work. So it asks for your name. I'll just write William. Oh wait, I'll need to redo that. Okay, there we go. Loading, asks for my name, William. It will say hi William, so we fixed that. And now we will go into the inspect, and now it will actually, this is weird. This is not supposed to happen. So now we can go into if something goes wrong, we could also go in here and see what was wrong. I actually don't know, because it's supposed to work as this one over here. It's the same thing, as you can see. Maybe it's because we're closing them. So we'll unclose them, and we will deal with the console thing now and see if this does anything. I'll just use name as name and console, and it's still not working. This is really weird. Okay, I think I need to have something after it, so that's the problem. So we'll just move on to the next one. So the next one, it's the one that makes the writing pop up, which is document dot write. The document dot write command or script makes you write on the page as so. You can also use these things, but like the definition things, but they won't like show variables and such because they're not in order, you could say. So let's just say document write your you are William. You are, but I'm not writing William here, as in this one we will need to have a plus. Oops. You are, and we have plus X. So there we go, and this should now have the same effect as this one. Oh, what happened now? Yeah, this should be as the same as the last one. So let's check it out. Now it's asking for a name, and I just use name as the name. It will say hi and then the name, and now it should actually, but it didn't. So let's see the problem here. We should be right, but it's not for a weird reason. So now we'll have to test out stuff. Console.log, and this makes an error for a weird reason. Maybe we'll do this, hi, then plus X. Maybe this will work. Name, and then we'll inspect, and then console, and it's still not working. So I guess this won't work for, wait a minute. I think I know. Console dot log. There we go. Now I found the problem, X. So now it should work. I just wrote the thing wrong, and now yeah, it says your name is name, and in console it says name. So now you basically know how to use a variable. You can also define the variable, just as a quick thing, by using, so I'm just gonna use X equals, I could write no, and it will be no. I could write X equals X, which will make it equal itself. You can also make variables equal other variables and such. But this will be it for this tutorial. I'll see you next time in my next JavaScript tutorial on this website.